In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change default app. You need to start by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away to access apps section. Over here. Now click on default apps and click on one of those categories, like browser app. Lastly, just click on any of your downloaded ones in order to apply it. In my case, Firefox. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!